Hi there, my name's Cav and I'll be doing the Business Accountz training material, and in this video we'll be looking at director's loans. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what a director's loan account is. It sits within your current liabilities. If you've not got it set up, check out the videos on how to create new accounts. If your business is a limited company and you or another director has loaned it money or have paid for items personally on the company's behalf, they should be recorded in Business Accountz. Each director needs to have his or her own director's loan account set up in the chart of accounts within the current liabilities group. So I've just got the one director's loan set up here, but if you need to set up more, just do that via the accounts manager. For money paid into the bank, this needs to be entered in the green books from the director's loan to the bank account. So you send the money from here to the relevant bank. So let's go ahead and give you an example. So I'm going to go over to the green book and add a new transaction. I'm going to backdate this to 1st of May, and I'm going to go straight over to the from and to accounts. The remaining fields are optional. So this is when the money's come in from the director. So I'm going to type the director's loans. Now there is two accounts here. One's for long term, which just simply sits in your long term liabilities, and the other one which I have is my current. So it's up to you which group you want to put it in. It depends if you want to really stick them in the long terms group or not. This one's in my long-term liabilities group and this one's in my current. So I'm just going to select director's loans and I'm going to select the bank where the money went to, and let's say it was 5,000. Okay, so that's it. All of the remaining fields are optional again. If we go back to the chart of accounts now, here we can see in our liabilities what the directors put into our bank. Bank's gone up and our liability's gone up as well. Okay, so that's how you do transactions coming in from a director's loan. For purchases that are made by directors on the company's behalf, these should be entered in the red books from the director's loan to the correct expense account and the correct VAT code if you're VAT registered. So again, let's give you a quick example. I'm going to go over to my red books and I'm going to hit the green plus button. I'm going to put in the date of the 1st of June. I'm going to go straight over to the from and to accounts. The remaining fields you see here again, they're all optional. And let's say the director bought for something. So we're going to use the director's loan. I'm going to select one of my expense accounts and I'm going to put in the figure. We'll give it the VAT code. Okay, so let's go back over to the chart of accounts. So again, the director's loans account now has gone up, and if we went down and looked at the expense accounts, the expense would have gone up as well within our expense group. Okay, so if a repayment has been made back to the director, that's done in the green books and it comes from the bank back to the director's loan account. So let's do that. Let's say we paid the director some money back on the 5th of June. So we gave the money back from the current account back to the director's loans. We paid off 2,500. Let's go back to the chart of accounts and you can see now here's what we owe the director, and the bank has now gone down. If the director uses company funds to purchase a personal item, this should be entered in the green books from the bank or credit card that you used to the director's loan account, and this transaction should not be shown on the VAT return. So that's why it's in the green books. So again, let's go and do it. Add a transaction, let's say on the 10th of June. Straight over to the from and to. It was from the bank to the director's loan, and let's say it was £100, and we can just say personal in the description. So I've just added something extra there in the description. Okay, so that's it. If we go back to the chart of accounts, here you can see the director's loan's been affected, and again so has the bank, but nothing happened within our P&L. Okay, so that should show you how you do director's loans transactions within Business Accountz.